Goeiedag. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope everything is going well. En vandag gaan ons Afrikaanse woorde oefen. Today we're going to practice our Afrikaans words. Vandag gaan ons nommers oefen. Today we're going to practice numbers. Now, I'm going to say the word and you're going to repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Nou goed, gryp 'n pen en papier en probeer die woorde neerskryf. Now go grab a pen and paper and practice writing them down. Are you ready? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 Baie dankie. Thank you very much. And feel free to play this video as much times you need to feel comfortable with pronunciation of the words. Tot ziens!